Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can manage your notifications in HubSpot. So first things first, we have to log in to our HubSpot account. It's mandatory, you can't do it out of the blue in their landing page obviously, so let's go and log in. Once we're logged in, we want to go to this little wheel to settings. Once we click on settings, we find ourselves in this window, and where we want to click is on the left bar on notifications. Straight away we have email, desktop, other apps and mobile app. On email, as you can see, how you get notified, and that's what we are aiming for. Right now, please note if you can't unsubscribe from important emails about your account, like status and billing updates. Obviously, they want you to see their billings. So first thing, you just click and place it on off. Then all of the notifications are cancelled and you won't be notified from HubSpot. I really recommend you leaving that on, but micromanage all the other things like ads, for example. Once you click out the ads, you see notification topics. You can scratch it in or scratch it out. We don't want ads, so let's not scratch it in. Save, and we won't be notified about ads anymore. For example, block as well. And what else is not that important? Or maybe academic activities. Save. Right now, you'll get still notified about your chat and emails conversation, which is very important. Then deals, form submissions, tasks, and all the stuff that you are actually interested in, and you won't get ads options. Then desktop, you can get notified on desktop by pop-ups, for example, or browsers, and I personally find that very disturbing, and all I can manage is bell, which is this guy, and this one can be, in my opinion, left on. So we leave it on, but pop-up on pop-up windows, I find it very disturbing, and also on a browser. I don't like them. So let's leave it like that. On other apps, you can integrate it with Slack, which is a very nice option. Then you'll be micromanaging it in Slack. And in a mobile app, it goes the same way. You can just scratch it in or out of the mobile app options. And that's about it, guys. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.